In a stunning blow to former Trump confidant Peter Navarro, the highest court in the land has dealt a crushing blow to his bid for freedom, while he fights his conviction. This marks the second time the Supreme Court has turned its back on Navarro, highlighting the legal quagmire that has ensnared him. According to an article published by the Post Millennial on Monday, April 29, 2024, Navarro's hopes were shattered, as the Supreme Court rejected his plea to remain at large until his appeal process reached its conclusion. With his conviction for contempt of Congress hanging over his head, Navarro now faces the grim reality of imprisonment. This latest rejection comes on the heels of Chief Justice John Roberts' initial refusal in March to intervene, sending a clear message that the court has no intention of halting Navarro's sentence. Despite his desperate pleas, Navarro's legal maneuvers have failed to sway the judiciary's unwavering stance on his case. Navarro's latest endeavor involved a fresh motion aimed at Justice Neil Gorsuch, who, in turn, passed the matter to the entire court for contemplation. Nevertheless, the result remained unaltered as the court, in a unanimous decision, rejected Navarro's plea. Navarro's predicament emphasizes the repercussions of his actions and the legal aftermath he must now navigate. Once a trusted confidant of former President Donald Trump, Navarro's downfall has been rapid and precipitous, culminating in his conviction and imminent imprisonment. The charges of contempt of Congress against Navarro arise from his refusal to comply with congressional subpoenas, displaying a blatant disregard for the authority of the legislative branch. Such defiance has not only placed Navarro in legal peril, but has also tarnished his once respected reputation. As Navarro confronts the possibility of incarceration, the implications for his future and his connections to the Trump administration loom large. His plight serves as a cautionary tale, highlighting the dangers of disregarding the rule of law and the ensuing consequences. The resolute stance taken by the Supreme Court sends an unequivocal message, emphasizing the weightiness of Navarro's actions and the responsibility he must bear. Despite his desperate attempts to elude incarceration, Navarro is now confronted with the harsh reality of serving his sentence while his appeal process unfolds. Navarro's legal odyssey serves as a somber reminder, underscoring the significance of upholding the principles of justice and the rule of law, even within the highest echelons of authority. As he grapples with the repercussions of his convictions, Navarro's case assumes a pivotal role in the ongoing discourse surrounding accountability and adherence to constitutional norms. In the annals of American legal history, Navarro's case is destined to be etched as a cautionary tale, vividly illustrating the repercussions of unbridled power and the absolute necessity of being held accountable. As he faces the looming prospect of imprisonment, Navarro serves as a stark reminder that no one, regardless of their stature, is exempt from the reach of the law. In a stunning blow to former Trump confidant Peter Navarro, the highest court in the land has dealt a crushing blow to his bid for freedom, while he fights his conviction. This marks the second time the Supreme Court has turned its back on Navarro, highlighting the legal quagmire that